Well, after the beating that the small caps and the mid cap stocks took few weeks back, many people are now searching for large cap stable stocks which they can add to their portfolio, which will act as a cushion during bad times. Well, if you are someone like that and you are looking for a stable large cap company, then I would say Mankind Pharma is a very good choice. Why is that? I'm going to explain in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Mankind Pharma. It is one of the large pharma companies in India, and like always I'll share this link in the description section. You can go through it to know the details about these companies and the products. Okay, we will directly go to the important ratios and numbers and see how strong this company is fundamentally. Right, so the current market price of Mankind Pharma is 2213 with a market cap of almost 90,000 crores. Okay, the reserves it has is 8600 crore and a very small debt of just 9.74 crores, and you can see how small this is in comparison to the other companies in this industries. Okay, it's very small, and that's why the debt to equity ratio is 0.00. Now the 3 years average sales growth for Mankind Pharma has been 19.23, and you can see this is the highest in this industries. Okay, no other company is having close to this. Coming to profit growth, 3 years profit growth, it is 9.06% and earning per share growth 9.06% same. Well, this might be looking kind of low, but the reason behind that you will get to know in few moments. Okay, now return on asset is 17.16, and you can see this is a very good number, and it is in fact the highest in this industries. Again, in this list no other company is having as much as Mankind Pharma is having. Okay, return on capital employed for 3 years average 28.10, again this is the highest number in this group. Right, now interest coverage ratio 182. Okay, and you can see this by far exceeds all other companies. Okay, 43, 53, 48, but this is 182, which is great. In fact, we should look for companies with interest coverage ratio more than 5, and here 182 is just way above that. Okay, current ratio 2.86, excellent number. Okay, operating profit margin 24.03, and you can see it is almost similar to what the other companies in this list, the top 4 companies, are having. 26.96, 24.26, 28, 26, 24. Okay, now promoter holding stands at 76.50, which is a good number, and the Altman Z score is 16.42, which is clearly indicating that this company is far away from getting into solvency issues, and in fact it is the highest again in this industries. Okay, so this is clearly telling that Mankind Pharma is a fundamentally super stable stock. Okay, now let's see the last 3 years average sales growth, profit growth, and earning per share growth. Okay, so you can see in 2022 the sales was 7400 crore, which went up to 8127 crore in 2023 and 8984 crores, so almost 9000 crores in the trailing 12 months. Okay, and coming to operating profit, you are getting to see little bit of drop, and the reason behind that is the drop in operating profit margin. Okay, but the following year it improved a lot. Okay, from 1700 crores to 2150 crores, and also the operating profit margin along with increase in sales, all these two factors are actually contributing to that. Okay, now coming to earning per share growth. So earning per share growth, we are getting to see a drop here, and the major reason could be because the stock was listed in that year. Okay, when the fresh issue happens, okay, obviously the earning per share drops, but we can see that from 2023 to the trailing 12 months we are getting to see a good increase in earning per share, almost by 10 rupees. Okay, 31.16 to 41.19. okay, so that's a good number. Now let's go to the shareholding pattern and see what the promoters and the smart money is doing. Okay, so we can see that in the last 3 quarters the promoters have not changed their stake at all, 76.50. okay, but the FIs have sharply increased their stake. You can see it was 14.18 in June 2023, 14.18 in September 2023, and now it has gone up to 4.18 and 6.47 in the last quarter in December 2023, which is almost, you can say, a 2.5% increase in stake by the FIs. Now coming to DIs, we are getting to see even a bigger increase in stake, okay, from 4.56 to 9.78. So this is more than 5% increase. So the FIs have increased their stake by 2.5%, okay, and the DIs have increased their stake by 5%, okay, whereas the promoters have kept their stake stable, they did not decrease their stake. So that is the clear sign of a promising company, okay. The smart money feels it is promising and the promoters have not decreased their stake. So that's a very good thing for Mankind Pharma, I would say. And you can see the sharp decline in the public holding from 14.76% to 6.97%. So that's again another good thing, okay. The smart money and the promoters are the major stakeholder in this company. Why? Because they believe in the future of Mankind Pharma, that's why they have increased the stake. So fundamentally itself, the analysis of fundamentals clearly tells that Mankind Pharma is a fundamentally super strong company, no debt at all, and also the smart money is getting interested in this stock and they have increased their stake in the last quarter. So definitely this is a stock which should be considered for investment for the future, okay. So this was all about the fundamentals, and if you are watching the video so far, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Now let's go to the price action. Okay, so this is Mankind Pharma and this is the weekly time frame, and you can see after getting listed here, Mankind Pharma actually never took a sharp decline in the share price. It was increasing, then it became stable for few weeks, then again it started its journey, and now the current price action is actually very important because we are getting to see the long term resistance that was here has now turned into a support, and Mankind Pharma is not at all interested in going below that. It wants to turn that resistance into support. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw one support resistance level here, okay. So I will use this, okay, and you can see that this resistance area, let me just drag it a little bit down. Yes, this resistance area, okay, it was acting as resistance here, has the stock has given a breakout above that, and you can see in the first attempt it succeeded in making it its support, and now you are getting to see back to back big wicks in the candles, clearly telling that there is a high bullish power near this area and the stock is not ready to go down below this level at all, okay. So clear indication of strength around this 2100 level, I would say, okay. Now we will go to the daily time frame to see the detailed price action and see if it is a good time for investment or not, okay. So this is Mankind Pharma's daily time frame, and let us see if it has the support of any major moving average or not. So I'll start with the 200 days EMA, obviously, and it is far away. Let's try the 150 EMA, okay, sorry, 150 WMA, and this 150 WMA is almost similar to the 100 days EMA. You can see both are aligning. When I enable both of them side by side, it is completely aligning and they are providing support, okay. And I prefer the 150 WMA, it's my choice, and because I feel that this gives more accurate results, okay. And the stock actually gets good support from the 150 WMA and the 200 days EMA. 100 days EMA rarely it gives accurate result, okay. So you can see the stock clearly using this 150 WMA as a support, and this is kind of a bullish engulfing pattern and we are getting to see strength. That is the most important part. Now let's take a look at the 50 days EMA and see if it is having any role here or not. And you can see the stock is actually getting good support of 50 EMA. Here it took support, went up here, then again it took support from 50 EMA, went up, now it is passing through it. And if you notice carefully, we can easily draw one trend line here, okay. Let me just disable this, and a trend line can easily be drawn from here, okay, using these points, right. So now we are getting to see that the stock is actually starting to show even more bullish power as soon as it is coming to after it has made this level its support. You can see back to back green candles, big ones, okay. So let's check the volume for these candles, if they are high enough or not, okay. So I'll enable the volume, okay, and you can see the volumes are actually pretty good, okay. This candlestick is having big volume bar, okay, and this one is also having, although it's red, but still the volume is high, and here the last candle that was yesterday's 22nd March Friday, it is having more than the average, moving average. Okay, the volume is high enough. So coming to the important question, can you invest in this stock right now? I would say you should definitely make an entry in this stock right now. Why? Because this is just coming out of a fresh support from the 150 days WMA, and also as I have highlighted here, it has turned its long term resistance into support, this green area. Okay, and clearly it is starting to show good sign of strength. So I think Mankind Pharma is going to start another rally here, and remember that this is a long term stock. Do not expect that it will give swing trading kind of average super fast. Okay, keep it for the long term, because you need all kinds of stock in your portfolio. If you keep only micro cap and small cap stocks, definitely you are at a very big risk. So at least keep 40 to 50% large cap. Okay, they will give very good returns to you in a stable manner. Okay, so definitely Mankind Pharma is a very good options. I have showed you fundamentally why it is strong enough, and also the smart money is getting involved in it in the recent quarters, and also the price action is clearly confirming that this is a key area for Mankind Pharma, and it is also a great opportunity to make an entry in this stock. So I think it is definitely wise for the smart investors to make an entry right now. So that is all about Mankind Pharma. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where I post more stock analysis, exclusive videos for the members, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.